And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 166. Let me show you the hand tool. It's a minor tool, but it's important. You can see that here we have a canvas and a photo on top. And when you just left click drag, you drag around the object. So in our case, the photo. But let's say you've zoomed in this far. You don't want to really drag it around. You want to move around. And this is what the hand tool is for. So you can use that to move your position, and therefore the object stays in place. You can see that here, the canvas is still behind it. And when you just use the selection tool, the object gets repositioned. And the quickest way to use it is just to hold space and then left click drag. And this allows you to move around. So that's another important shortcut to know. There's also a rotation view tool that looks somewhat similar. You can use that to rotate your view. So it's not going to rotate the object. It rotates the canvas with the objects. You can see that here. When you left click drag, you see the angle, and then you can set your view angle. It's relatively hard to get back to 0 degrees, but I'm going to show you how you can switch that back to the perfect view. You can do that under view. And before I forget, yet again, important is also the shortcut Ctrl-0. This is fit artboard in window. So whenever you are zoomed in too far in or too far out, Ctrl-0 is what you need. And right below it, there's a rotate view option, and here you can set it to 0 degrees. So spacebar is an important shortcut, Ctrl-0. And here under view, you can reset the rotation view if you've messed with that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.